See how far he wants to go up today. Cranking it around. And right now all he can see is the ground coming up very quickly. Don't forget to get onto YouTube. Find Paul Bennett Airshows on YouTube. And they're doing a live feed today from Paul's cockpit. There's a 360-degree camera on board, and you can be looking at what he's seeing as you're watching him from the ground. Torque rolls at the top, holding it very nicely. Takes a lot of effort to do this. Back through his own smoke. Finding out where his head's at. And coming back up. That was an incredible tail slide there, folks. Very hard to do that properly. Working the controls very hard to make it look so effortless.